So here in New Zealand, conditions have gotten worse since yesterday. Yesterday's swim was all good. Doesn't look like it's as worse as yesterday, but the weather system is definitely a lot worse than yesterday. We're under a red warning here, which is a danger for excessive amount of rain. There's plenty of flooding. Actually, we're isolated at the moment. Both roads out of town and Whitianga are flooded, so we can't actually leave. We're scheduled to go camping today north of Whitianga in Coromandel town, but that's not going to happen. And this isn't going to stop me from swimming either. So let's get it done.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool chap. That's better. I told him the first one was too short. It didn't count.
And now I'll just dry in the wind because it works.